The damage extends from here to the auto shop, according to the plans.
Yes, the drainage is also completely compromised.
Let's mark the sections that need immediate remediation on the map.
The tablet shows significant stress points here.
We need to reinforce the sub-base right at this junction. Let's verify the elevation data from the survey gear.
Perimeter is marked out. We need to start the heavy over there. The blade's in, just keep it steady. We're almost through, keep the sparks down. Watch the depth, don't want to go too deep. Keep it steady. Looking good. Almost there. Careful. Keep it moving, guys. Got it. Push it towards the compactor. Watch your step with the hot asphalt. Keep it steady. Watching the steam. Almost done here. Looks good. Let's keep it moving.
Looks perfect here. Let's move it over.
Check the elevation. We're good to go.
Almost done smoothing this section.
Keep it steady, looking good. Make sure the edges are clean.
Almost done here. Watch for traffic further out.
Before and after the much-needed repairs, the difference is night and day. See the new merge lane and smoother roads?